Okay, so let's code this solution up. So first of all, we need a integer. We can name it count. So this is to capture how many occurrence a character has continuously appeared, and we using the for loop here. It's starting from index 0 and less than the string length, and increase one by one this loop, and then we do the work. So we compare the current character at position I to the character at position 2, which is I plus 1. Oh yes. So because count here is 0, so the first character we simply just increase the count to make it 1. And because every time we loop through, we increase the count. So the condition, we only need to check if the character is not equals the next one. So if it's not equals the next one, so the plan is to reset the count back equals 0. And before we set the count back to 0, we need to check the variable called the length. So the length will record the max. It's basically served as max. So if length is smaller than count, and we capture the length to count, and because this is the max occurred character as of now, we capture the starting index here equals current index minus length. I think because I started with 0 and the length, that it should be plus 1. I think I could not remember correctly, but it was a try. And now we have the starting index, and the index is saved to the first array, first element of the array, return array, and also the length we got the max. Okay, so there is one more condition we need to be careful of, because we're using index starting from I and also using I plus 1. So I plus 1, when the I reached the last item of the character, last character of the string, the I plus 1 will be out of bound. So we need to make sure I plus 1, when we do the compare, I plus 1, if I plus 1 reached the last index, string dot length we do this, otherwise we do not compare, because here is where we used the I plus 1. So here is the solution I can think of, and it's a good solution. Hopefully it's correct, and it can help somebody if they are preparing for the similar questions. Thanks.